So I got this Modernica fiberglass chair for Harry. You know, Star Wars collaboration, only 155 made. And, you know, got that Kith email. I'll let them know that they were available. I wanted the rug, but I passed. I might go back to getting that rug. That rug is fire. See Boba Fett right there, Chewbacca, you know. This chair is official. He's got a couple of these chairs. They're a little pricey, so I might just get one. But if there was one to get, it would be this one. But, you know, he told me about it, so I helped him out. I don't know about ordering two. So, but yeah, it's a fire collaboration, December 8th, 2021. You got your plaques and everything. Ronnie went in on this collection. It was amazing product all around. And just glad I could help Harry. So yeah, YouTube, thanks for watching. It's your boy Logan J signing out. Peace.